Hello viewers, today we are going to perform how to create Windows restore point. It's beneficial because in case of your Windows got corrupt, so you can recover the same from the date of its creation. So we will use two methods. The first method would be done on hard disk, and in the second method we will also use USB, at least 16 GB or plus. So on screen please. So now let's go for the first method. Click inside search and type create a restore point. Create a restore point appears, so click on it. Now we will proceed further for next step. Now C and D drive are off, so click on C drive and click configure. And in configure, turn on system protection. Apply OK. So through this way C drive is on. Now click create, and in create give it a meaningful name like Windows 11 with the date. You can create multiple restore points, so date would enable you to distinguish between your creation times. So click create and it's done. Now let's go further. The graph is running, so click close, apply and OK. Now our point has been created. Now to access the same, click in search and take the same steps by restoring point or create a restore point, but this time we will not create it. System restore, click on it, and after system restore click next and the wizard will run next, and you can restore the window to the date of creation of its restoration. Click on date and next and then finish. Now from here click yes, and you cannot undo this process because window restoration is continue. Now let's go and further for the second method. So click in search and type control panel or go to control panel, and in control panel we will simply go to recovery, and in recovery create a recovery drive. Here you will need a USB minimum 16 GB or plus. Click next and the wizard run. So simply plug in your USB and click next. 16 GB minimum or higher, or you can use external hard disk. Click create, and after creating follow the instructions. To access the same, go to control panel once again, then recovery, but this time we will not create it. We will simply open system restore. Click next. It will ask for the USB or the source. Click on it and click the date, next, and after next finish. The C drive will be renewed, window. Click finish, and after finish click yes, and from here you cannot undo the process because your window will be restored from the date of its creation. Click yes. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.